We have been sailing in France for weeks now. And when you sail for many days and weeks, you start accumulating dirty clothes on your board. So what people do with that? So some people go to marinas, and in every marina they have washing machines. You pay something and use them. Okay, some people even have washing machines on board. But you need a relatively big boat to accommodate a washing machine. Plus, you have a lot of you need a lot of water, and you need a lot of electricity. So it's complicated. Okay, what people did for 50 years ago or 100 years ago, you know, they could not waste fresh water on washing clothes. You know, it was punishable to waste fresh water. So for some years ago, I heard a recipe from one really old school sailor, and it told me what they did. So I have this striped shirt. I wear it for several days, so I will try to wash it now. So first I make an organoleptic test. It's ready for washing. So look here. Use a piece of rope. Washing machine, natural, eco-friendly. Yeah, some 60 minutes later, we turn off the washing machine. Now we need to use some fresh water on it. And we perform the second organoleptic test to check the result. Oh, it smells fresh. Oh, see, Fine. The method works. Recommended, and it is normal on this channel that I say don't try it at home, but this time I can say try it at home if you can.